This will be the elevator here at the Low Quality Inn here in West Plains, Missouri. Make yourselves an impulsive ride. It's from like the 90s, I think. Here it is. Yeah, 90s Dover. Let's go to 3. So, look, it's a Dover. Here we go back down. Oh, it's fast. There's an oddity they found. Yes, Cam. There's some more now. Anyway, that's the floor indicator. The gas capacity of 2,500. Impulse buttons. Nothing too exciting. Just look at those buttons. And yes, as you can tell, it's a Dover. The quintessential elevator company for all your elevator needs. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.